Hello everyone, just a new self-care tip from me today, and that is to have a lovely warm drink to help support your recovery from cold and flu infections. So I've got a lovely hot drink here that you can see is steaming away nicely, and many of us, love to have a warm drink when we're not feeling too well. It's very soothing. But also you will be glad to know that there is actually some science behind it, and that hot drinks could actually help us to fight colds and flus. So this is really interesting, and as usual I like to look into it even more maybe than the actual science has. So basically the results of the study concluded that, I've got the research here on my laptop, that basically a simple hot drink of a fruit cordial could provide immediate and sustained relief from symptoms of runny nose, etc., so cold and flu symptoms basically. So a few things I'm just going to tease apart from that. First of all, the immediate and sustained relief. So that means that it's potentially working in a number of different ways. So first of all, the immediate relief is probably from the steam itself, that lovely warm steam, and that's how a shower could also potentially have some similar effects for the immediate part. And that is because anything warm helps to dilate, and that means that the warmth can help to dilate your nasal passages and means you can get more air into your system, so that could potentially help offer relief from symptoms such as a blocked nose, for example. So that's the immediate part, but also the sustained part is what particularly interests me, and that suggests that this dilatation, which also will occur in your blood vessels and around your nose and your mouth, could potentially be allowing the better transport of your immune cells into the area, and that would give us some theory as to why the effect is longer lasting than just initially. Also, just one other thing to note from this research is that the effects were found in just a warm juice, so nothing therapeutic in terms of the actual drink itself. So for me, I just think, why not go one step further and have something therapeutic and warm? So this is our Equinoforce hot drink, and it mixes up into a warm drink, so not unlike the colour of this is just herbal tea, but not unlike this colour, and it combines some concentrated Equinoforce and elderberry syrup, so it's a lovely liquid solution that measures up into a nice warm drink. So you're going to get the benefits from the warmth, but also obviously you've got the therapeutic ingredients as well.